Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to take screenshots using an extension called screenshotting. First we open our Google Chrome, and then on the top right corner you see that icon. You click on it and then scroll down and go to settings. So once you're in settings, you go on the right hand side, you'll see extensions. So now these are the only extensions we have installed. To install a new extension, you click on this menu icon and then go down here to open Chrome Web Store. Click on it and then search the extension that you want. In our case, we want to install the screenshot extension. Actually, we are looking for an extension called screenshotting. I guess it's called screenshotting. Yes. So here is the extension, full page screenshotting. Just click on it and then here you'll have an overview of the extension. You capture some screenshots and edit full page using our screenshot tool. So we just click on add to Chrome and then accept add extension. So once you have installed this extension, it will lead you to how to use. So you have just first you install the extension, which you've already done, and then visit the web page you want to capture the screen and then click and choose from the three options. So now, for example, we want to screenshot this very page. So we click on the extension icon here and then we shall see our extension is there. So let's just pin it so that it appears here. Now that we have installed it, we go to the web page that we want to screenshot. For example, let me go to fennyn.com. So we have this page and we want to capture the screenshot of the entire page. So what we do is we simply click on this extension and then it will give us an option of screenshot a visible area, or screenshot a full page, or screenshot specific area. So we are going to demonstrate all the three ways of screenshotting. So first, let's start with the visible area. This one is going to capture only the screen that you see. So let's click on it and it has just captured that. So we can edit, we can save it as an image, or we can save it as a PDF. So I'm going to save this as an image. So let's save it in desktop and call it screenshot 1 and save. And then the second option is screenshotting the entire page. So we go back and click on the extension and then we click on full page. So this will basically screenshot the entire web page. There you go. So we have the entire web page as a screenshot. So we are going to save this as a PDF. Save it in desktop and call it screenshot 2. And then let's go back to that same web page and then use the third option of screenshot a specific area. So we click on this and then we shall just choose the area that we want to take a screenshot of. Yes. So we have this. So it also has an option of editing. So we can choose to edit. So we can add text, we can add shapes. So let's just add a circle there. You see that? We can crop it, or you can just undo what you've done. And then basically that is how we take screenshots. And then later you can save it desktop as screenshot 3. There you go. So guys, this tool has been really super cool, especially if you're taking screenshots of a full page. It has really been helpful. You can read more about it. It has a simple documentation and how to use it. So thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.